Spring's first bloom. Well, the spring has finally arrived, so it's time to get out in the garden and pretend to do some jobs. Or if you're British, sunbathe, get drunk and incinerate some food on a barbecue like it's been cooked on the surface of the sun. The ingredient lineup: Hendricks Gin. You can try another gin, but this drink really does benefit from the cucumber and floral notes that Hendricks brings to the party. Also Saint Germain, which is my kryptonite, lemongrass syrup, fresh lemon juice, egg whites and lavender bitters. Let's kick this off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml, of Hendricks Gin to our shaker. Follow this up with 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml, of Saint Germain, and remember to refrigerate the bottle of Saint Germain once you open it. Then add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5ml, of lemongrass syrup. Follow this up with 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5ml, of fresh lemon juice. Add 1 dash of lavender bitters. Then lastly, add some egg whites or aquafaba if you're vegan or allergic to eggs. We're going to dry shake this. I like to aim for around 30 seconds to a minute. Then add ice, and we want to do a wet shake for 10 to 15 seconds. This cocktail is a creation of fellow Brit Charlotte Voisey, who is a gin expert in the mixology industry and has had an illustrious career winning a ton of awards and having cocktails and menus in some of the world's top bars. Double strain this into a Nick and Nora glass. Then garnish with some micro herbs. I've gone for lemon balm here. You can use small mint leaves or anything like that as well. The taste test. I really like this drink. It's really well balanced. Initially I was dreading it a little bit because of the Saint Germain in it all, but it really works well with the Hendricks Gin and brings the floralness to it all, but without being overpowering. Lemongrass syrup's a great addition. Lemon juice plays up well in it all, and I think it works really well in this sour format with the egg white. Really good cocktail and a good one to kick off spring.